So yeah, welcome back to my channel once again. And in this video, we will see how we can implement a smart search engine using the LLM. Okay. So without wasting a time, I will just hop into the topic and let's implement this thing into our code. Okay. So you must have see these kinds of feature on this e-commerce website or any other online sites. Like when you search any keyword like birthday, for example, so it does not just do like keyword search, keyword mapping kind of thing. It's like it's so everything related to birthday thing, like birthday cards, balloons, and this what is this cookie gift, whatever thing that are close to birthday. So how this thing happen? So there is a reason like how this happen, and you must have heard about something called fuzzy search as well. So in Python, there is a library called fuzzy search, which you use to search basically the words that contain in sentence or any kind of subwords kind of thing. So this is very interesting library which you can use to get the results, get the list of results. It matches the letters in your word and just shows it. Find near matches like pattern. If pattern is found in this kind of thing, so it will just show the results. Okay, so there are a lot of use cases of this thing, but it is not a smart thing. It is not a smart library which you can use for to better give results to the end users, the clients, the customer that will come. They just don't want, like, if you want, like, let's say I want to order something, um air conditioner. It's summer, so I just got this idea. I click on air conditioner. So let's see what it does. So it's showing air conditioner. This is also showing the remotes and a lot of things. This, um, if you go to the next page, maybe the covers and all of this. So these kind of results comes when you search these kinds of um, thing. So these words are kind of related to other thing, other items, other products. So that's why they are comes into this keyword. So how this thing happen? There are a lot of things. There are a lot of implementation where we can use this kind of thing. But the easier way, which I'm going to show you, which is a lot more easier. You don't need to pay anything. You can basically use basic free um, embedding models from the Hugging Face and small LLM. Okay, so in this video we will going to implement something like that. So I will encourage you to just open a VS Code and just follow along with me. So what I will do, I will just load my folder where I make all of this kind of videos. So in my YouTube tutorials, I just created a smart search notebook. Okay, so there are a few things, and this is very basic implementation. In later video, maybe we can add more functionality to it. So I will just add something like smart search engine. Okay, and few libraries I would like to install it. Like first I will pip install face, which is very popular library made by the Meta to to convert to create indexes of our vector embeddings. So no, you must have heard about it, which is a face CPU. Okay, and there is another package which is OpenAI, which we will use, and I will also use how this thing comes. I want to use like chat grok. We will use chat grok. So which package it's come? Let's see. This is simple LangChain package. We need to download it. You know. So chat LangChain chat grok. This is simple package. We just need to install it. Okay. So I will just install it as it is. And one more thing we will need to install, which is a sentence transformer. Okay. So let's install this. And if you haven't set up this thing, so you should have, set up this the environment variable. Otherwise, it will not run. So I have selected my default environment, which I have created inside this package in folder LLMs. So I will take all of it. Let's select another existing, no, select another Python environment. See, so I have already installed these packages in my environment, so it is not required to run it. Okay. So what we need to do next? So I have already created this kind of some, you know, demo data. So let's say we have this kind of data in our database in the products basically. So what we will do, these are just our products, okay? And we will create a vector embeddings of it, okay? So how we will create a vector embeddings? For this purpose, I have added the ID. The product will have ID, it's obvious, and it will also have a title and description. And not just this, it will also have prices in real in real world, but for embedding purpose we do not require the prices and all. We just need title and description so that we can create a tokenize and create a vector embeddings of it. That's what we need right now. Okay, we don't need price as SN number, the unique number have the all products got, right? So we do not need those kinds of thing. And this thing, and now we just need a sentence transformer. Okay, so I will just from sentence transformer to sentence. Okay, and what we'll do, model, I will be importing L all meaning SL6V2. This is very popular embedding model, and very simple to use in our for our use case. This is all we need right now. Okay, so for product, like what we will be like creating the vector embeddings of it. So we will create just like this, like title, description, the array of all of it. So model.encode. This is all doing its the autocomplete thing. Model description, but we also need product title as well. Title, that's it. Product. Okay, let's run this. So it will take a little while because it's creating the vector embeddings, all of this kind of thing. Okay, and since it is now ready, we will just need to create a vector embeddings of this. Okay, so for this purpose we will use as, okay, and dimension, we will take dimension is what basically uh let's see how what are the dimensions. Okay, so let me just dimensions for a better clarity purpose, let me run it. So recording is making my system a little bit slower. So 384, dimensions of that. What is dimension? Dimension is basically like how the floating, the each word is converted into the numbers. And dimension is basically the properties Okay, like 384 columns will be there for each word. So each word have a certain kind of properties. Okay, when you must have saw my vector embeddings video, I will give it to you in my I button. Okay, I will highly encourage you to go and watch that video. That's where I explain everything about vector indexing and all of things. So you will have better idea. Dimension is what we really need. Okay, and then we will like just flat it. Okay, and then in our index we will just add it. And why we use np array? Because this is different kind of array. We just need to change it to numpy array. Okay, that's what the convention, and we need to do that. I mean, that's how the phase has been implemented. It expect the numpy arrays, not the normal arrays. Okay, so that's why we are converting it, and our indexes have been ready. And now we just need to use our LLM model. We are halfway around, not this chat croc. So LLM, not GPT-40, temperature I will 0, will give it 0, and I will be using a free version of it. So let me here give you free version. Okay, llama versatile. Okay, let's check this print LLM dot if it's working or not. So it's working. It's nice to meet you. There something I can help you? So how this is working? In your case, you will need to have it the token key stored in your .env file. Okay. So I have stored these token numbers. I mean token. You can see here grok API key. Now how will get it? Grok API key you can easily get using this grok.com. You will just need to log in into this. Okay, I will use my account. Going into API keys, you can create your own API key. Okay, that's very easy. You can create for yourself, and just you just need to put it into .env. Like the naming convention should be like this. Okay, grok API key, in caps, in all caps. Okay, otherwise it will not work. So see, our LLM model is ready, and we just need to wire up few things so that it basically search for. So for that purpose, I will write a simple function. Okay, so rewrite query. You know what this will do? No, what this is doing right. Prompt. Rewrite the following search query to be more specific, relevant to the finding produced grocery. Original query, rewritten query, like this. Rewritten query strips, like it's working just fine. So I will just let's check. I want to buy something to drink, and let's see if that's coming done. In our products we do not have something to drink. Yeah, Pepsi. Pepsi should give Pepsi because we have embeddings of Pepsi. You know what? In your PC, it maybe not take this much longer because I have running, you know, content, written query LLMs. Uh, content. This maybe. This is something. Oh, okay, okay. So this what it is doing. So it will accept a a simple array, something like this, and we cannot directly pass this. It should be an array. Yeah. Yep. So it's array of object messages. We will just write role system. Your help assistant at the right search query to be more specific and relevant of finding what is in grocery. And in role, let me get it a little bit cleaner for you. Okay, that's it. And we just rewrite it, user form, and now it should be just working. I mean, I made a one more mistake. The content should not be there. So yeah, role, what is it? Let me role insert and system. This, let me write it one for this LLM thing is invoke array, and we just need to we will not pass role. I mean, we just need to prompt message content. Let's see if this is working. Role is not defined. Oh yeah, chalo, let's sort it. Semicolon was just missing. You know what? So this is our result, and you can see query beverages or juice or soda or milk, water or coffee, tea. This is just like a rewritten query by the LLM. Now we can just search in our vector indexes for this kind of. We can convert into our vector embedding and search this kind of thing in our vector indexes, which has been created using the face. Okay, so you must have got the idea till now. So this is how it will work. So for now, at last stage, I will just implement something like search and query top K, and our I'm using the autocomplete thing. So retain query model encode. It will re-encode this thing. Vector embedding, it will convert it to vector embedding, distance indices, search top K, and mhm, U for the search. So what is happening here right now? Just let me run it, then I will tell you. Then I will tell you. Okay. So this thing is like very simple to implement. I just have written the portal simple implementation of like a smart search engine. But in future we will must be you know improve this thing by implementing the Elasticsearch and maybe Redis. We will include Redis as well into our query so that it responds much faster now. Butter popcorn, light candy crunch, cheese nachos, and all the party. So let's test it by another query. I want I want something to drink. I want something I want something cold to drink. Okay, let's see how this will. Cold coffee bottle, cold Coca-Cola. So you can see these results are coming just fine, and this thing you can return to your front end, and the front end can just show you like this e-commerce website do. Like when I search birthday, so it under the hood it will rewrite the query, and then it will be given to our vector search engine so that it can like um, take those all data, all those words, and compare it in our database, which is in our case, where is it? In our case, our vector indexes, where this product has been converted into vector embeddings. Okay, so you can see this is very easy to implement, and I know this is a little bit slower, but when we will implement the Elasticsearch and all this kind of technology into our code, it will be very faster. And in my PC, it's taking 4 seconds. In your PC, it will take a little bit lesser time because I have the recording started and all these things. Maybe it's more of the CPU utilization. These all things are comes into the factor. Okay, so you can just go around, play with it, and it's very simple. In next video, we will see something more uh, advanced implementation of LLMs and using LangChain and all kind of technology. This package, how we can implement much more uh, with this. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you do not understand anything, please go on, take this. How you can, how I learned, let me show you. When I see any piece of code, let's take it like I do not understand this thing. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go on the Google, and I will open chat GPT. Okay, and I will just give it what this piece of code is, paste it, and I will just ask what above code is doing, and it will just give you a walk around what is this piece of code is doing, and you can just ask more deeper things, more deeper questions like why this thing has been implemented and all. So this is how you learn. So hope you like this video. If you do, please do like, share to your friends, and I will come back with another video which will be more fun. So stick around and we will meet you soon. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.